Essay on my birthday in English. 300 words. My birthday falls on 7th December. I am very happy on this day because it is the only day when I made to feel important. Feel यानी कि महसूस करना because क्योंकि I celebrate my birthday every year. I get up very early on that day. I wore new clothes. Then I say my prayers. I seek my parents' blessing. My mother cooks my favorite dishes on that day. My last birthday was the most memorable birthday till date. Memorable यानी कि यादगार. Celebrate यानी कि मनाना. I woke up early at 6 a.m. because my family sang a special song for me and they gave me some gifts. Also, I was hugged by all of them. Hugged यानी कि गले मिलना. Mom made my favorite breakfast called idli because it was my birthday. Dad bought a big cake for me. I cut the cake. यानी कि मैंने केक को काटा. Then फिर I started receiving call from relatives and friends. Relatives यानी कि रिश्तेदार और friends यानी कि यार दोस्त मित्र. In evening शाम को I opened the door. मैंने दरवाज़ा खोला. I saw all my friends standing there. मैंने देखा कि वहाँ पर मेरे तमाम दोस्त खड़े थे. With a cake. Everyone said happy birthday to me. हर किसी ने मुझे happy birthday कहा. I thought मैंने सोचा they had forgotten my birthday कि वो मेरी बर्थडे को भूल चुके होंगे but no they did not. All hugged me one by one and gave me gifts and roses. I cut the cake which they bought. We danced, had food that arranged my friends. My dad also arranged a party in the evening. I invite my friends, neighbors and relatives. The house was decorated beautiful by my sister and my mother. In evening, I cut my birthday cake. Everybody was in a joyful mood and enjoyed a lot. The guests took dinner and went away midnight. When the party was over, जब पार्टी खत्म हो गई, I unpacked all my gifts. मैंने अपने तमाम गिफ्ट को खोला. Unpacked यानी कि unzip, open किया. I was surprised to see such lovely gifts. I then thanked my parents and holding such a pleasant party to celebrate my birthday. Celebrate means commemorate. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for written English essay. Visit our website, link given in description. Thank you.